Factoring the difference of two squares. When you have two squares and a minus sign, you can always factor them. That's a square, 2p times 2p, 5 times 5, and a minus sign. So it's only when there's a minus sign in between two squares that you can factor them. So the four problems they gave in the lesson, first of all, you got a square because 2 times 2 is 4 and you x times x. You write the minus sign in the middle. So plus x squared is right here. We don't need the plus in front. Minus 4. We have two squares. So you take the square root of each, x and x, 2 and 2, and you put a plus and a minus between them. If you multiply that out, you would see that you have x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. The middle term just always falls out. And so that's factored. Factoring means make it multiplication. So the second example, 49m squared minus a squared. They're both squares and there's a minus sign between them. So you take the square root of each, so 7m and 7m, a, and you put a plus sign and a minus sign. If you multiplied it back out just to check, you see that you get 49m squared minus 7am plus 7am minus a squared. That just falls out. And you're left with 49m squared minus a squared. Third example, we don't have the minus sign in the middle. You always want the minus sign in the middle, so you put that 25y squared minus 36a squared. You take the square root of each, 5y. So 5y, 5y, 6a, 6a. Put a plus and a minus. Very easy. Last example, once again, the minus sign is in the middle, so you write it as 49a squared minus 36x to the fourth, y to the fourth. Well, the square root of 49a squared is 7a, so you put 7a and 7a. The square root of that is 6x squared y squared, 6x squared y squared. Put a plus and a minus. It's actually kind of easy. That's factoring the difference of two squares. Good luck.